Hello, folks. My name is Manthan. I'm the creator of Patra. I created Patra to solve the very issue I used to face in my work life, which was I'll constantly juggle between Slack and Jira. Slack would contain all the business context, like, hey, who are the customers you're talking to? What are the issues they're facing? The cool ideas you're discussing with your colleagues. And individually, I had to move that to Jira. Doing that was really irritating, opening Jira interface 10 times a day. All of that you could do using Patra, which is a Slack bot. For example, you can tag Patra and ask it to create a ticket in some board and assign it to yourselves, move it to do, and add labels. Not only this, since we have the context of entire Slack and Jira present with us, you can ask it to do a contextual ticket creation. For example, in an existing Slack thread, you can just ask it to create a ticket for this discussion and assign it to someone. Since we have context of entire Jira as well, you can also get analytics like how many tickets did I create on a DEP board last month, how many of them were related to deployment, and so on and so forth. All these conversations happen in a contextual manner. It understands what's the thread about and only then goes ahead and reply based upon the content of the thread itself. Let's take a quick demo. So I can ask Patra to create a ticket in demo board to record a demo video for the ninth time. When I do it, I get a processing your request message and a ticket. So if you open this ticket, this is exactly what you ask it to do. Like this is create a ticket for recording the demo video for the ninth time, and it created that in demo board. I can now perform certain actions ahead. Like for example, Patra, can you add label urgent and move it to pending? Note that I don't need to give the exact state or the exact words how to add a label. It already has a context of Jira. It can find what does pending mean. For example, I have a pending status, which if you see is a capital P and a label is all caps pending. It understands that hey, when it say pending, what pending status are you talking about? Since it's using LLMs behind in the behind. If I reload now, I see the pending status is added and the label urgent is added. To continue, you can create tickets naturally in natural language, assign it with mentions, track progress, do analytics, and do a contextual ticket creation based upon the thread's context. You don't need to open Jira. Lastly, we have credit-based system in the sense for every interaction we charge you a credit, and for the first 30 days, no credit card required. You get 1,000 credits. You can start using right now. Later, you can buy 200 credits for $10 each based upon each workspace. Thank you. Hope Patra adds a little more balance to your work life and you don't have to constantly juggle between Slack and Jira.